Morning friends, my name is Pragathi. I am studying in Christ CMI School, grade 4. Today we are going to see an experiment called floating eggs in water. So first let's materials required: salt, 2 eggs and 2 glass jars with tap water. Now in one jar let's add some salt. Let's mix it nicely. After mixing it, let's drop down the egg, and at the one more glass jar, let's drop down the egg. This is because the density of the egg is higher than the water, so it sinks. Thank you. Bye-bye.